So guys, as you can see, we are on Wix page, and from here we can sign up and start to create our website. So before that, let's see these sections. So as you can see, over 150 million people who trust Wix and their website. Guys, after a while they can change this page or design of this page, but over and there you will able to find start now button. So I'm clicking over here, and from here so many options are there. You can sign up with your email and password, or you can sign up with your Facebook. Over here I'm signing up with my Google account. So as you can see, we are over here. Well, if you are redirecting to somewhere else on the website, then just click my site and you will be over here, over this section.